Welcome to this week's video. We will be cleaning up my office craft area. It is a mess. I haven't been in here in like a month and some time because of how bad it is. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad on camera. But don't be deceived. It's horrible. It's horrible. Like I said, I have not been up here in a very long time because of the mess that's up here. This is one of my safe spaces. If you've been watching me, my new safe space is my living room because I decorated it the way that I wanted it to be and all this other stuff. But I really want to get back up here so I can start drawing again and crafting again. But this mess it really prevents me from being up here and feeling secure. So we are going to work on that this week, and I hope you all enjoy today's video. Here I am just looking at everything and thinking about the choices that I've made, but here we go. Let's just get started. Right here is something that I made like a while ago, probably like almost a year ago. It's to go with my Lolita dress, Crystal Dream Carnival, and I haven't had a chance to wear it out with it yet, but I really love it, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. Right now I'm just organizing the craft area. I am basically putting things in the drawers where they belong, at least for right now, because I don't have any specific area that they go into. I'm just trying to straighten this area up a little bit more so that I can get back to crafting. If you are new here, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. My name is Star, and on this channel we just do a bunch of kawaii chaos things that I like to do, such as cleaning or reupholstering or decorating, and I hope you all will join me along and we will continue cleaning this space that I just let go to chaos. I decided to clean out the closet. This is the second time that I've done this, and this is like the third time that we just let it go. We are still working on rearranging some things. It's kind of hard to combine two people's items, you know. We've been married for 2 years and it's still difficult. We still run out of space and everything. In these boxes right here, anime figure boxes. I found some decor that I can use around the house as well, but all in all, I'm just rearranging and putting the boxes that were in there in this box right here, and we're just going to put that back up on top. I just wanted to remind you all to drink water and take a break. That is very necessary for you. I tend to power through things, and I got overheated while doing this project and I had to take a break, and that is okay. It's okay to take things slow, and I have to remind myself of that, and I wanted to remind you all of that as well. The lighting in here is terrible. I'm not gonna apologize for it, but I did it. I cleaned my area to a point where I can sit down and feel relaxed. I am so happy. I'm so excited about it. It just feels really good to just look around and not be overwhelmed by what I'm seeing. So everything is in a place where I'm happy with it. At some point, I'm probably gonna rearrange everything, but for right now, this is good. And I can finally get back to creating art digitally like I used to do. I was taking a break from that, but everything looks so good. I'm so excited.